And welcome back to another video, my friends. This is the good news for all Shiba Inu holders, my friends, because now at this time the Shiba Inu start a quick jump. And personally, my friends, I'm feeling very good, and I'm very happy to see the positive changes occurs in the Shiba Inu. Absolutely, after a great falls, after a big fall, at this time the Shiba Inu again start pump. So personally I'm very happy, and I hope you all also feeling good about Shiba Inu. Anyways, before starting this video, please I request everyone to please click the subscribe button and also like this video for more news and updates videos. My friends, if you subscribe my channel, so you will never miss any update about cryptocurrencies market. So my friends, at this time if we talk about the price of the Shiba Inu, so now the current price is very low. 0.00007 USD dollar is the current price of the Shiba Inu. My friends, furthermore, if we talk about the price change of the Shiba Inu, so you can see here that the last 1 hour price change of the Shiba Inu is positive, and last 1 week price change is also positive. So my friends, the positive change occurred in the Shiba Inu is from yesterday. From yesterday, the price of the Shiba Inu is start increasing, and now still the Shiba Inu's price is going to increase. And you know what, my friends, I hope that Shiba Inu will continue this pump, will continue this move with the for long term, my friends, for long term, my friends. And if absolutely if they continue this kind of positive change for long term, so you will get profit. And if the changes is positive, so this means that you will become a millionaire, my friends. Absolutely, Shiba Inu are the future millionaire. Those people who's holding Shiba Inu at this time, they are the future millionaire. And you know what, my friends, personally I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba Inu tokens, personally 2.5 billion. And my personal plan is that I'm going to sell my Shiba Inu in the last of 2021, maybe in the start of 2022. That is my personal plan for my Shiba Inu token. Anyways, how much you hold invest for long term, that's how you can get a high amount of profit. Let me show you the price chart of the Shiba Inu. Oh my god, is the Shiba Inu price chart also tell us that now from yesterday the changes of the Shiba Inu is going positive, and absolutely that's a good news, that's a great news for all Shiba Inu holders. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Hope you will get profit from the Shiba Inu token. Thanks for watching this video.